All right, it's been a busy day. It's been a good day. Putting teal together, playing with some different head positions. I'm liking a bunch of them. There's another little tucked head guy right there. More teal are going together. The wood duck hens are underneath there, and the black duck mallard. That might end up. Well, no, this one. I think this is going to end up being my favorite bird. Quite possibly. We'll see. But they're getting closer to being done. Brand them. Put some eyes on them. Let's paint them. UPS, thank you very much, as well as Dana Lovell. Oh, tire stuck there. There we go. Long line decoys. Dana, can't wait to open it up, man. Thank you very much. More to come. Boom, 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 and boom. Once again, Dana. It smells so good. Thinking of who we are. Very happy Wednesday. Karen said it was hump day before she left. I forgot. Thinking of who we are. I tell you what, there could be far worse things to deal with as far as how awesome this smells. Nice, nice, and nice. Dana Lovell, Long Line Decoys, thank you again. One more time, as well as I guess we need to thank Jason for cutting it too. So, Jason, we do appreciate it. Lots of heads and some bodies. Very happy Wednesday to everyone. Thinking of who we are. Karen's almost home. All right, Fred West just left. We were talking about PEI, and this all happened today. Been a very productive, busy day here today. Black ducks, mallards. There are actually three model ducks going to Texas in here. But anyway, more teal. You move the buffalo over. More teal, wood ducks, black ducks. Black ducks, teal. Yeah, and this buffalo needs to be over here. So it's been a very good day carving. I feel very productive. And I think Karen's got dinner ready, so I'm headed inside. As always, appreciate you following along and thinking of you. We are. Yes.